I'm Gabriel de Kiki. I'm 21 years old and I solve the Rubik's Cube in many ways, mostly blindfolded, so I use my memory to solve the Rubik's Cube.
I'm assuming you must be Gabriel.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Tom.
How do you challenge yourself when you can do them in?
Yeah, there's a lot of ways you can challenge ourselves in the Rubik's Cube. We can solve it with one hand, for example, to test your dexterity. But one that I particularly love to do is to solve it blindfolded.
Solving the Rubik's Cube whilst looking at it is hard enough, let alone blindfolded.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Go for it.
His hands are moving too fast to see. I can't even imagine what's going on in his brain.
That did not just happen.
But Gabriel has another trick that will demonstrate the sheer power of his memory. He says he can memorize the position of every single square on 15 scrambled Rubik's Cubes, and he thinks he'll be able to spot just a single change. Lots of people can solve the Rubik's Cube, but if he can do this, it really would demonstrate an extraordinary memory.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just put a blindfold now, and you can change any cube you want.
Okay. Right, go for it.
When he picks up the cube I altered, he appears to spot the difference straight away.
It was this one, and I'm about to tell you which size is removed. So I'm pretty sure you move this size over there. You have done this move, right?
What Gabriel just did goes way beyond solving a Rubik's Cube. There were 810 squares on those cubes, and yet Gabriel spotted a single change.
It was this one.
I want to know how he is able to memorize and process this information so quickly in his brain. We're headed to meet leading neuro researcher Debbie Green. Debbie is going to test us both using a series of 20 highly complex visual patterns.
So I'll show you a card that has the pattern on for 3 seconds, and then I'll put it away. As soon as I put it away, you can start drawing. Okay, and then we'll move on to the next one. Okay.
I've spent years researching the human brain and training my own memory skills, so I should be better than average.
The last one.
And he makes it to the final image, designed to be almost impossible.
Okay.
10. So for this, you can see Gabriel did a lot better. So Tom, you're looking at the 70th percentile, so still good, still very good. Gabriel, you were up on the 95th percentile, so very, very well.
To try and find out if he really has an extraordinary memory, we're setting Gabriel a challenge no one else on Earth has ever taken on. We're going to give him 3 randomly scrambled Rubik's Cubes. He has to memorize their formations. Then he has to attempt to recreate the exact position of every square on 3 brand new cubes. Gabriel begins. He picks each cube up in turn and starts to memorize their formation.
Here's your blindfold. Good luck.
Blindfolded, Gabriel picks up his first cube and begins to scramble it. The neuroscientists cannot believe what they are witnessing. And from what I can see, he seems to have completed the first cube correctly. And amazingly, it looks like he's matched the second cube too. There are 43 quintillion possible combinations on each cube. I have no idea how he's doing this. But incredibly, it looks like he's done it.
See?
Oh my god.
No way.
Amazing.
We each check the cubes to make sure.
That one's perfect.
Somehow, Gabriel really did complete this extraordinary challenge. I'm not sure I believe what I've just witnessed. Gabriel Dakiki has trained his extraordinary memory to be able to complete even the most seemingly impossible of tasks, making him the ultimate puzzle master.